Hey guys, this is how to create a GCash account overseas. So first thing that you will do is go open up a Google Play Store on your device, and from here at the top just search for GCash. And now from here guys, just simply install this into your phone, and once it is installed, just simply open it up. So now I'm gonna open up a GCash application, and guys, remember that if you are living in a certain region where GCash overseas is available, you must own a valid international mobile number. So now from here, just simply tap on this and you will see a drop down, and here is a list of the available countries that you can get started with GCash, and just simply select the countries that you have. And after that, just simply provide your number over here, guys. And from there, a verification code will be sent to you. And after that, just fill up the necessary information in order to proceed, like your basic information, your name, your last name, your address. So just simply provide the necessary information. And after that, you will have to provide a valid ID. And from there, you'll be able to scan your face for a verification using a selfie. And from there, guys, you'll be able to create an account. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.